Hey, welcome to Mercedes-Benz Service, sir. How can I help you today?
Hey, I'm just here for my first oil change, 5,000 miles.
Okay, see that? I got your file right here. Looks like we actually got you scheduled in for the Mercedes Service A. What that is an oil change, tire rotation, cabin air filter, wiper blades, visual inspection of the brake pads, make sure everything's good under there, top off all your fluids, and a car wash. You wanted to get that all done today, right?
I mean, I just got this car. Do I really need to get all that done?
Yeah, I'd recommend it on a Mercedes. You definitely want to maintain the vehicle. We actually got a special going on that package today. It's only $32.95.
$32. Let's do it.
No. It's a Mercedes. It's $3,295. Actually, $100 off because you bought the car here. You want to get that done though, right?
What? I can't afford that right now.
What do you mean? You bought a Mercedes. You should be able to. This is nothing. It's three grand. What's $3,000 when you own a Mercedes?
Do you think I just get my oil changed?
You want to get just the oil change? You don't want to do the tire rotation, cabin filter, wiper blades, and the visual inspection of the brakes?
I just want my oil changed, yeah.
I don't even know if we can change this to oil. We've never done that before. This isn't Jiffy Lube Sport. But let me check with the manager if we can do just an oil change. Hey, this guy wants just an oil change.